I'm coming to you guys with a chicken avocado spinach burrito, and these are the ingredients that I will be using right here. And it is very easy to make, and it is very, very delicious. And what I will be doing is I have my pot already warm, and so I'm gonna put my chicken and all my ingredients into the skillet. And then I'm gonna also put my spinach in. Yeah, this is and they have a lot of good benefits from it. Because you have your avocado and you have your spinach. And then I will come back when it get finished. Alright, bye-bye. Okay, so now it is in the tortilla. And what I will be doing is, oops, no. Finish touch. I love putting the strawberries with things instead of putting rice, beans. I think this will be a healthy, balanced meal, because it's just when you put rice with everything, then it become too much starch or whatever. And I'm not big on starch. So this is my finished touch, and I'm about to enjoy. See you next time.